Come test drive the 2008 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, trip computer, electronic stability control, CD player, tachometer, brake assist, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, radio data system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.